Hi, this is Pawanji Singh from Dream Design Institute. Today we will discuss about trim command in NX surfacing. First of all, open NX software, then go to new. Then go to model tab, then double click on model or single click, then click on OK. After that, go to menu, go to preference, go to modeling, go to general, then go to body type and choose sheet. Sheet means surface modeling. Then click on OK. Now go to home, then click on sketch, then choose the plane where you want to work, then click OK. Now draw the sketch. Suppose I click on rectangle or R enter, then click on from center, then click on center point and fill the value. Suppose 100 enter, 100 enter, 0 angle enter. After that, click on finish. Then click on extrude or accenter, and fill the value there. Suppose 150 enter, or choose symmetric value, then click OK. This is surface modeling. Now again click on sketch and click on any plane where you want to work, then click on OK. Then click on circle and click in center point and fill the values for 50, and then click on finish. Then click on extrude. After selection of sketch, then click on extrude and fill the value there, then click OK. And the both body is different, this body is different, this body is different. Now I want to trim this portion and this portion. For that, go to menu, go to insert, go to trim, go to trim and extend, and choose until selected or make corner. For this kind of option, use make corner. Click on any surface, then click on there and click on any surface. This is the result. then click OK. If you want to check, Control H, click on display. This is the result. This is trim and extend command.